What if I told you a baby duck can mistake a human for its own mother? It sounds unbelievably cute, but that single moment can shape the duck's entire future in ways most people never imagine. By the end of this video, you'll discover the incredible science of imprinting, why wildlife experts try to prevent it, and whether this touching bond is actually heartwarming or secretly heartbreaking. Have you ever seen a tiny duck following someone everywhere and wondered why? Most people think it's simply affection, but the truth is far more fascinating. Stay with me, because what begins as one of the cutest moments in nature slowly turns into a story about survival, instinct, and a decision made in the first few hours of life that can change everything. A newly hatched duck has only a tiny window to recognize the parent it should follow. Unlike human babies, it doesn't have months to figure it out. It has hours, sometimes only minutes. And here's the surprising part. The duck doesn't actually know what its mother looks like. It simply follows the first moving caregiver it sees. That's why one famous scientist accidentally became the mother of an entire flock of ducklings. We'll get to that remarkable experiment in just a moment. Before we do, think about this. If you were born today and the very first face you ever saw became the center of your entire world, what would happen if it was the wrong one? That question has fascinated scientists for decades. The answer begins with a remarkable process called imprinting. Long before humans understood it, ducklings had already perfected it. In the wild, the moment they hatch, they must identify the adult they need to follow. Every second matters because predators are nearby, weather conditions can be harsh, and getting separated can quickly become dangerous. This isn't about love, it's about survival. But here's where the story takes an unexpected turn. In the 1930s, Austrian zoologist and Nobel Prize winner Konrad Lorenz made an astonishing discovery. Ducklings that hatched in his presence accepted him as their parent instead of another duck. They followed him across fields, through villages, and even into buildings as if he truly belonged in their flock. His observations changed the scientific understanding of animal behavior forever. But what exactly happens inside a duckling's brain during those first precious hours? The answer is even more incredible than the experiment itself. Scientists discovered that newly hatched ducklings enter a brief developmental window where they rapidly memorize the first moving caregiver they encounter. That single image becomes their guide for safety, food, movement, and social learning. Nature designed this system perfectly. The mother duck is there. The ducklings hatch. They see her. Then they follow. Simple, reliable, life-saving, until humans enter the picture. On farms, in wildlife rescue centers, and even in backyard incubators,